Namaskar, welcome to daily weather briefing program of India Meteorological Department. If we see the monsoon activity during past 24 hours, then the monsoon was vigorous over the Gangetic West Bengal, Jharkhand and Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi during past 24 hours. Monsoon was active over Punjab, West Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, East Rajasthan and Odisha. However, the monsoon was weak all along the west coast, over many parts of South Peninsular India and some parts of Central India. And yesterday, the extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places was observed over Gangetic West Bengal, and very heavy rainfall was reported over East Uttar Pradesh, Sub Himalayan West Bengal, and Sikkim, Odisha, West Madhya Pradesh, and Haryana. However, the heavy rainfall reported over the Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, West Rajasthan, even Delhi, East Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, and some parts of Northeast India also. Here, the some significant amount of rainfall is also given. If we see the today's main synoptic feature, then today we have a one well-marked low pressure area which lies over interior parts of Gangetic West Bengal and adjoining Jharkhand, and we have one more low pressure area which lies over southern parts of central Uttar Pradesh, and monsoon trough is also passing through the Ganganagar, then across the low pressure area over the south UP, and then another well marked low pressure area over the interior Gangetic West Bengal, then North Bay of Bengal. And in the right hand side, this is the satellite animation for the cloud convection. So it is very clearly visible that today we have a very intense convection over the North Rajasthan, over the South UP, over and adjoining North Madhya Pradesh, over the Gangetic West Bengal, and adjoining areas. We also have the moderate convection over remaining parts of Central India, over the Northeast India, over many parts of East India. If we see the weather warning for the next 24 hours, then because of this well marked low pressure area over Gangetic, West Bengal and adjoining Jharkhand, today the very heavy rainfall is very likely over Gangetic West Bengal, Jharkhand, Bihar, adjoining Odisha and North Chhattisgarh during next 24 hours, and along with this extremely heavy rainfall is also very likely over Jharkhand during next 24 hours. And since we have another low pressure area over South UP, then because of this low pressure area, very heavy rainfall is very likely over North Madhya Pradesh, over Rajasthan, and heavy rainfall is also likely over parts of Uttar Pradesh, over Haryana, and over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and over the parts of Northeast India. Along with this, there will be the strong wind speed reaching 45 to 55 kmph along the Gujarat coast, along the Maharashtra coast, and along the Karnataka coast. So fishermen are advised not to venture into those areas. If we look into the weather forecast for the next 5 days, says this as this well-marked low pressure area over Gangetic West Bengal will slightly move west northwestward direction during next 2-3 days. So accordingly, the rainfall belt will shift west northwestwards during next 2-3 days. So because of this well marked low pressure area and another low pressure area over the south UP, there will be heavy to very heavy rainfall over Rajasthan, over Madhya Pradesh, over Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Gangetic West Bengal during next 24 hours, and over the Chhattisgarh, over Madhya Pradesh, and over the East Rajasthan during the 31st July to 2nd of August, and there will be the extremely heavy rainfall over the Jharkhand during next 24 hours. There will be extremely heavy rainfall over the East Madhya Pradesh during on 31st of July, and there will be the extremely heavy rainfall over East Rajasthan from 31st of July to 3rd of August, and over the West Madhya Pradesh over 1st of August to 3rd of August. And if you see, so the monsoon will be active to vigorous over parts of East India during next 2 days, over Central India and adjoining plains of Northwest India during next 3 days, even 4 days, and the monsoon will be weak over the South Peninsular India along the west coast, and the rainfall will decrease along the east coast over parts of central India and over the peninsular India, and of course along the west coast during next 4 to 5 days. However, the heavy rainfall over the Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand will continue for the next 3 to 4 days. Since we are expecting the extremely heavy rainfall over the West Madhya Pradesh during the 31st July to 2nd of August, over East Rajasthan during 31st July to 3rd of August, so there will be the continuous rainfall over the most places, with heavy to very heavy rainfall over some places and extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places, particularly over the West Rajasthan and East Rajasthan for the 3 to 4 days. So because of this extremely heavy rainfall, we are expecting the following impact. So because of extreme amount of rainfall, there can be the localized flooding of roads, there can be the water logging in the low-lying areas, and there can be the closure of underpasses, particularly in the urban areas. There will be the reduction in visibility due to the intense spell of rainfall. Traffic disruption can take place in the major cities due to the water logging and of course due to the low visibility. There can be the minor damage to the kacha roads. There can be the minor damage to the vulnerable structure, and there can also be some mudslide or landslide, particularly in the hilly terrain. And there can be some partial damage to the horticulture and standing crops in those areas. And because of these impacts, we are also suggesting some actions. So check for the traffic congestion in your route before leaving for your destination. Follow any traffic advisory that are issued in this regard. Avoid going to the areas that faces the water logging problem often, and also avoid staying in the vulnerable structure. These impact and actions suggested are only for the those areas where we are expecting the extremely heavy rainfall. That is for the West Madhya Pradesh during 31st of July to 2nd of August, over East Rajasthan during 31st July to 3rd of August, over East Madhya Pradesh on 31st of July, and over Chhattisgarh, particularly over North Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand on today. You can download our Mausam app, Damini app, and Meghdoot app for location-specific forecast and for the lightning alert and agro advisory services. You can follow us on our Facebook page, our Twitter page, our Instagram page, and you can also follow us on our YouTube channel for more weather information. Thank you.